To CETA Virtual World High School Fair, an exclusive educational online event which allows students and parents to meet and connect with world top schools. Consult with expert consultants and join webinar for secondary overseas study preparation advice. Visitor can explore and navigate to various part of this virtual exhibition by using the menu bar. In reception area, visitor can click at exhibitor list to see the list of schools. Webinar agenda for the topic and speaker. And online counseling to talk with the expert consultant. Once you click Online Counseling button, you will be able to chat or request to have a video call with CETA expert educational consultant. Visitor can see the exhibition hall, school booths by clicking Exhibition Hall. Then you can select desirable booth to visit. Visitor can see exhibitor info, brochures, handouts, photo book and videos. If you would like to talk with school representative, you can start a chat conversation or request to have a video call by clicking Chat button. Visitor can pre-book a time to meet with schools by letting CETA know at line at CETA in order to set up an appointment in advance. Please go to Business Matching Schedule to check your pre-book schedules. Once accepted by the school, you will receive an email with a Go To Meeting link. Click the link and start chatting, calling with the school. For the webinar live streaming, visitor will be able to join the webinar and engage with the speaker on live chat in the webinar room. If there is any announcement from CETA, visitor will be able to see the notification at the notification icon. If you need any help, please go to CETA Online Counseling or line at CETA. Thank you for your interest in CETA Virtual World High School Fair 2021. We hope to see you at the event.